Good morning. This is a short video presentation on calculating slope. We already know how to calculate the slope of a line. What we're going to be looking at today is the slope between two given points. If you remember, slope is the change in y over the change in x, or rise over run. We have a very simple formula that we use to calculate slope given 2 points. Calculate slope given 2 points. Given 2 points. Our formula, which you need to memorize, is slope equals y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. y1 and x1 are the coordinates of one point. y2 and x2 are the coordinates of another point. This is one of those formulas that you're expected to know in all math classes. I don't know if you learned this in Algebra 1 or not, but I suspect that you did. All right, let's find the slope between 2 points. Find the slope of the line containing the points 3, -7, and 5, -2. Now, when you do this, you need to remember which is which coordinate is which. So, we'll call this x1, we'll call this y1, we'll call this x2, and we'll call this y2. So slope, y1 minus y2, -7 minus -2 over x1, 3 minus 5. Now, I expect you to show your work. Showing your work is putting this equation down. Not subtracting in your head, but writing it down exactly. Now, -7 minus -2 plus a positive gives me -5 over 3 minus 5 is -2. Negative divided by negative is positive. My answer is 5/2. Now, some of you may wonder, does it make a difference? What if we had this point right here as my x1 and y1 as my first point? So let's try it. Instead of -7 minus 2 minus -2, I'll go -2 minus -7 over 5 minus 3. Minus a negative plus a positive. -7 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. My slope is 5/2. Does not matter which one we do first. All right, let's look at one more example. Find the slope of the line. I'll just say find slope and give the 2 points. Find the slope of the line containing these 2 points. All right. 3, 8, and 7, 3. Again, You determine which is your first point, which is your second point. All right. I'm going to have this be my first point because I wrote it first. Does not matter. So I have 8 minus 3 over 3 minus 7. Notice that this and this, the first ones are from the same ordered pair, and that the second numbers that I wrote in the numerator and the denominator come from this. y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2. All right, 8 minus 3 is 5, and 3 minus 7 is negative 4. We are not allowed to leave a negative in the denominator, so we either write it up top, negative 5 over 4, or we can write it in front. We can put a negative 5/4. Be extremely careful. If these lines, the negative and the fraction bar, run together, I don't see a negative. All right, you need to be extremely careful. All right, I hope this helps and have a great day.